Do you need to increase your credit score because you are just beginning to build your credit, or you need to rebuild your credit? Well, today I'm going to show you how you can get approved for up to a $3,000 rebuilder credit card with Avant. And you can see if you pre-qualify with a soft inquiry pull, so it will not affect your credit score. You can increase your credit score by 50 points on average without removing one negative item if your credit score is under a 700 credit score. Now, if you're new to my channel helps you no matter where you are in your credit journey. So if you like that kind of information, make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also, hit your notification bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. And at my website, I give you a free hard inquiry removal package because hard inquiries can get you denied for credit. I also have removal packages for purchase to remove your negative items off your credit report. And I always leave that link in the description of the video and in the pinned comment section. And if you need my help personally, I have a link where you can sign up. Now, Avant is a credit builder, credit card, and a beginner credit card company. Now, adding a credit card to your credit profile when you're under a 700 credit score can increase your credit score by 50 points on average when that credit card report. Now, it can help you two ways with your payment history, which is 35% of your credit score, and utilization, which is 30% of your credit score that makes up 65% of your credit score. Now, warning, if you're over a 700 credit score, this hack will not work for you because adding a new credit card account will decrease your age of credit, which is really important when you're over a 700 credit score. But this tactic works for anybody that's under a 700 credit score. Now, applying is easy with this credit card with no hidden fees, and you can boost your credit score by using the credit card responsibly and paying it off with your balance on time. Now, Avant do give you credit line increases periodically, and you can use the app so you can manage your account from anywhere, and you can also use the app for customer service. Now, here's how it works with Avant 3-step process. You see if you pre-qualify, you get a fast decision, and then you can use your credit card responsibly. So you can get all of this within a matter of minutes. Now, this credit card can have an annual fee starting from $0 to $59, a credit line starting from $300 to $3,000, and an APR ranging from 29.74% through 34.74%. Now, all of this is depending on your credit worthiness. You can get approved for this credit card with a credit score as low as a 580 credit score. And this credit card is underwritten by WebBank. And with WebBank, they will be pulling from TransUnion or from Experian. Now, as I always tell you guys, it's important to check your credit score before you apply. Anytime that you're applying for a credit card, I suggest if you have a new negative item, you want to wait at least 90 days before you apply. Now, this is a beginner credit card, but you can use this credit card anywhere because it is a MasterCard logo and it's not a closed loop card. But the downside with this card, they do not offer rewards. If you are a person with no negative items like a charge off or any collections, you might want to seek another credit card that will give you rewards according to what your lifestyle is. So make sure you check that out. But if you guys have premium credit, I would not advise this card. You want to look for another credit card. But if you are struggling with your credit history, this is a great card so you can be able to do things in life that you want to do because it is a MasterCard and you can use this anywhere, rent a car, go on vacation, rent a hotel room. So this is a great place to start to help you build your credit. Hopefully this information was helpful. If you have questions, you guys can leave it in the comment section and I will answer your questions. But if you have more details,